Living in a rented flat has always made me reflect. On one hand, I long for a more permanent space where I can do things like paint the walls a specific color. On the other hand, there are times when I remind myself that a lot of my possessions are temporary, so I can mess around with my surroundings and decorate as I like. With a little planning, a rental property may be just as nice as any other kind of house. I find great joy in being able to decorate and redecorate my house since it allows me to constantly include new and fresh design aspects. Sometimes I just rearrange things, and other times I add new items to make this change. Going above and beyond the typical magnets as souvenirs, I selected these handcrafted works of art on my recent trip to the Netherlands. I knew they would be perfect for my wall in this arrangement the instant I laid eyes on them. Sabudana khichdi is a simple dish that I made up this morning. I'm sure most of you are familiar with the recipe. However, the roasted and ground peanuts are the main ingredient that I can mention. The moment I replace even a little portion of the countertop, I can't wait to go to work in that space and start cooking. There have been a lot of inquiries about this lamp even on Instagram, so I will try and provide any relevant links in the description box. I wanted to use the gorgeous coffee table I received today to spruce up my living room, but I needed to have the floor somewhat cleaned up first. I was immediately drawn to this stunning coffee table because of its all-natural color scheme and vibe. Thanks to Homery for sending this to me. As a brighter color, it breathes new life into the room, which is already furnished with a grey couch and carpet. This table looks great set against the cold colors. If you're looking for more beautiful items for your home, whether it be your living room, bedroom, or even outside, Homery is the place for you. I also recommend Homery to my friends who are on the hunt for eco-friendly furniture. There were a lot of other lovely and practical things that I thought would be perfect for any room. The furniture items were well protected since they had the shipment sent in excellent shape. When people tell me they can't wait to purchase a permanent house so they can design it to their heart's content, my response is usually the same: start now. I never learned to sit and wait for the day when everything would be ideal, since my family was always on the go. In reality, I realized the importance of being resourceful. One advantage is that you gain a wealth of knowledge and experience along the route, which allows you to better define your needs and wants for your new house after you buy it. I also got my hands on this lovely piece of wall art. To hang it up, I used command hooks, although there are also many hooks behind it. I purposely chose warmer tones since I really felt that this room was missing something in that regard. To top it all off, this artwork has a subtle texture that enhances it. We really appreciate Homery for providing these items and for sponsoring this section of the video. Please visit their website and follow the link in the description box to get a special discount using the code if you are also interested in purchasing such sophisticated home goods. I went for a short walk outside and the weather is now turning beautiful every single day. We took a small stop at the river and then moved ahead.
I've been thinking for days, yeah, I've been thinking for years that
Evening time seemed even more beautiful with the round table and the little lamp that I added later.
oh, I keep on losing it. And I keep hoping that I'll change. Yes, I believe I'll be a saint. And I keep myself from feeling with the pictures that I paint, but I keep on losing it till I've lost the only thoughts that keep me sane.
I'm happy that now we have way more space to keep our plates on and a little more things that we use while watching TV. The tummy started rumbling after that walk and I decided to make a quick snack using some bread. I often make this for breakfast too. Bread poha, as I choose to call it, is a simple recipe that only needs a bit of leftover bread, onion, tomatoes and a few spices. I like to use sliced onions for this one. Tomatoes are optional, but they do add a touch of tanginess to the recipe. Be careful while adding salt, it can get a bit too salty at times. With that wonderful recipe along with a new coffee table and wall art, my day ended on a super positive note and I was all geared up for the upcoming week. Hope you all enjoyed watching as well.